Hello guys, myself Ranjan Prasad, and now I am going to discuss control statement in Python. Then how many types of control statement in Python? Control statement. Okay, first one is what if else statement. Okay, and second is what if elif statement. If elif else statement. Okay, okay. Third is your nested if else state statement. Okay, three types of statement. First one is what your if else statement. Okay, means what is your syntax? Syntax is this: if you have to take condition. Okay, condition will be either true or false. On the basis of condition, okay, interpreter of Python will decide the which block will be executed, either block of if or block of else will be executed. Okay, you have to follow some structure of Python. Okay, what is this? Okay, you have to press your tab. Okay, one tab only. Okay, and this is your block of if. Okay, and this user else block of else. Okay, and now we are going to uh, detect even or odd. Okay, now you have to take input num equal to, okay, the odd number. Int, we are taking integer input int. Okay, uh, input enter a number. Okay, if num percentage में 2 equal to 0. If num is divided completely divided by 2, then the remainder will be 0. That time where you can say in num comma is a is an even number. Okay. Otherwise, if it will the condition will be false, then else block will be executed, and what we have to write? Okay, num comma is not, okay, and is an odd number. Can see. Okay, so you can write this. Okay, we are going to execute this program. Right click, open containing folder in CMD. Okay, and here you have to write Python space. Okay, the file of name is what you can see, program.py. Program.py. It is very easy to execute using command prompt. Okay, now we are typing 34. 34 is an even. Okay, 12 is an even. 13 is an odd. 35 is an odd. Okay, means we are checking the number. Number is either divisible or by 2 or not. But if it is divisible, then condition will be true. In this case, okay, num is an odd number. We have to show, okay, what num is an odd number. Otherwise, num is an num is an even number. Otherwise, it will be what num is odd number. Okay, and second one is what second statement. Second control statement is what your nested. Sorry, second if elif else statement. Okay, okay. Syntax is what syntax. Okay, if condition, whenever you have more than one condition, you should apply what if elif else. Okay, why? Because elif will be more than one. Okay, if more than one condition will occur, then you can use more than one elif. In this case, okay, block of if, okay, elif condition block of elif. Okay, now again copy. Okay, it can be more than one. Okay, more than one. It can be more than one. Else block of else. Okay, good. Okay, now we have to perform a program. Categorize. Okay, is equal to something, is equal to int input, enter your age. Okay, if is greater than, okay, what, 0, and is less than equal to 12. Okay, in this case, what is this? You have to print childhood age. Childhood age. Childhood age. Okay, elif if is greater than, okay, what, 12, and is less than equal to 19. Okay, you can say to print, okay, teenage. Okay, and elif is greater than 19 and, okay, is less than equal to 45. Okay, in this case we can show print which is young age. Young age. Okay, and now else. Okay, this is what, print old age. Okay, now we are executing the program. Okay, interviews, we are putting here 5. Okay, what is this? Childhood age. We are putting here 12. Okay, childhood age. Okay, we are putting 14. This is your teen age. 19, teen age. Okay, now 34. Okay, young age. 45, young age. Okay, after 45, 46, it is old age. Okay, consider. But if you are writing here 1, 3, 4, 5, something is nine. 1345 means it is very large. Okay, but still it is showing what old it is very bad. Okay, that's why we will consider, okay, you have to some you have to specify some condition, means, okay, if is greater than 0, okay, and less than 100, in this case, okay, you have to check, you have to categorize this, otherwise, okay, print what, invalid age. Okay, that's why we need nested nested. Third one is what? Nested if a else statement. Okay, and now syntax is what? Syntax if condition. Okay, block of into if condition. Okay, uh, block of if else. You have to specify two tab. Why? Because if is here and this if is into, if it is your inner if. Okay, and the block of inner will if, okay, will be, okay, specified after two tab. Okay, so you have to introduce here two tab for nested if or else. This is your nested else block of, okay, else. Okay, and now else. Okay, in this you can write this one, copy, Okay, and now same program, okay, we have to write, okay, but it will be accurate. Why? Because we are saying we have to check first if a is greater than 0 and a is less than equal to 100. Okay, in this case, okay, you have to check something. Ek tab, this is 2 tab, okay, 1 tab, 1 tab again, displays each and every statement, okay, by 1 tab right side. Okay, else else okay, print invalid age. Okay, yeah, in this you can write if age greater than, sorry, less than, okay, less than equal to 0. Okay, you can write print, okay, age should not be negative, not be negative. Okay, this is your condition, not be negative. Okay, else 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 what, print very large age. Okay, control save, and we are executing this one. Is something we are taking a negative, then it should be negative. Why? Because this condition is false, then it will go to what, else part, and else plus again we are checking what is this, is less than equal to 0. Yes, is less than 0, that's why age should be not be negative. Okay, again we are writing something, okay, very large age. Okay, it is very large age, and you have to write 12, what, childhood age 34, young age, okay, 19, 17, teenage, okay, or something 47, old age. You can see. Okay, so I think, I hope you understood. Okay, thank you to watching my video. Okay, ऐसे ही हमें प्यार देते रहिए. ओके, मैं न्यू न्यू वीडियो बनाते रहूँगा आपके लिए. ओके, पाइथन, डेटा साइंस, मशीन लर्निंग पे मैं वीडियो बनाता हूँ और आप चेक करते हैं. ओके, थैंक यू so much.